Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore the top 5 legal and free websites to watch live TV channels from around the world without breaking copyright laws. All the sites I'll show you today are safe, legal, and 100% free to use on both your phone and computer. Let's get started.
Pluto TV is a free streaming service owned by Paramount. It offers over 250 live TV channels and thousands of movies and shows, all legally licensed. You can watch it on your phone, computer, smart TV, or even PlayStation. Open your browser and go to Pluto.tv. You'll see categories like movies, sports, news, entertainment, kids, and more. You can start watching immediately. No login or sign-up required. There's also a Pluto TV app available on Google Play, App Store, and smart TVs. When you open Pluto TV, you'll find two main sections: Live TV, a list of channels playing in real time like a traditional TV guide, and On Demand, a section for movies and series that you can watch anytime. You can switch channels easily using the guide, just like you would on normal cable TV. Here are a few examples of what you'll find. Pluto Movies, free films and blockbusters. Pluto News, live news from CBS and CNN. Sports channels, including action, wrestling, and motorsports. Family and kids, cartoons and educational programs. Everything is licensed and safe to watch. Download the Pluto TV app, open it, and you'll instantly see all the live channels. No registration is needed, just tap and play. You can even cast it to your smart TV or use Android TV directly. Pluto TV doesn't host pirated content. It's owned by Paramount Global, which owns networks like MTV, Nickelodeon, and CBS. That means all the shows and channels are 100% legal and authorized. Next one is going to be Distro TV is a free live streaming platform that offers global TV channels across categories like news, sports, movies, lifestyle, and entertainment. It's completely legal and supported by ads, just like traditional television. You don't need to pay or sign up to watch. Open your browser and go to Distro.tv. The homepage shows you featured channels and live programs. You can watch instantly, no registration needed. You can also download the Distro TV app from Google Play, App Store, Fire TV, Roku, or smart TVs. Once you open the site or app, you'll find Live Channels tab, hundreds of channels arranged by category, news, movies, sports, music, etc. On Demand section. Free shows and documentaries you can watch anytime. You can scroll or search by category to quickly find what you like. Here's some examples. B News Bloomberg TV for business and finance news. Sports Grid for sports analysis and highlights. Cine Life for indie and classic movies. Moop Music for non-stop music channels. Family Entertainment, cartoons, and educational content. All content is official and ad-supported, meaning it's 100% legal. If you prefer watching on your phone or TV, download the Distro TV app, open it, no login needed, browse the categories, and start streaming instantly. You can also cast it to your smart TV or use a streaming stick like Roku or Fire TV. Next, Peacock TV is a legal streaming service owned by NBC Universal. It offers thousands of hours of entertainment, movies, classic shows, live sports, and even news. You can use it for free with ads or upgrade to a premium plan if you want more content. Open your browser and go to peacocktv.com. Click Sign Up to create a free account using your email. Once you log in, you can browse through categories like TV shows, movies, sports, and news. You can also download the Peacock TV app on Google Play, App Store, Roku, Fire TV, and smart TVs. The homepage is divided into sections: featured, trending and new shows, channels, a lineup of live streaming channels including NBC News Now, Dateline 24/7, and more. Movies and series, on-demand content you can watch anytime. Navigation is smooth, and you can use the search bar to find any title instantly. Peacock offers a wide range of legal content, such as Hollywood movies, including Universal Studios titles, popular TV shows like The Office, Suits, and Parks and Recreation, live sports, Premier League, WWE, and more, live news from NBC and CNBC. You can watch everything safely and legally since it's all officially licensed by NBC Universal. Download the Peacock TV app, log in with your free account, and start watching. You can also cast the screen to your TV or watch directly through smart TV apps. The free plan gives access to plenty of channels and shows, no credit card needed. Peacock TV is owned by NBC Universal, one of the biggest media companies in the world. All shows and movies are officially licensed, meaning no piracy, no copyright risks, and no illegal streaming. It's a 100% legitimate service. Next, we're going to have Rakuten TV is a legal streaming service based in Europe, owned by the Japanese company Rakuten. It offers a mix of free ad-supported channels, on-demand movies, and premium rentals, all in one place. You can watch it on your phone, computer, or smart TV without breaking any copyright laws. Open your browser and go to Rakuten.tv. Choose your country if asked. Rakuten automatically adjusts to your region. You'll see categories like free, live TV, movies, and series. You can start watching the free section instantly or create a free account to save your favorites. You can also download the Rakuten TV app from Google Play, the App Store, or your smart TV store. The Rakuten TV interface is clean and easy to use. Free section, watch hundreds of free movies and shows supported by ads. Live TV, access live channels for news, sports, documentaries, and entertainment. Store, rent or buy premium movies if you want the latest releases. You can browse by genre, country, or popularity. It's very user-friendly. Rakuten TV offers a huge library of legal content. Hollywood and European movies, sports channels, news networks, documentaries and lifestyle shows, family entertainment channels. Everything in the free and live sections is officially licensed and legal. Download the Rakuten TV app, sign in, and enjoy streaming instantly. You can also use Chromecast or AirPlay to watch on your smart TV. The app saves your watch history and lets you continue watching from any device. Rakuten TV works directly with movie studios and TV networks. That means every movie, show, and channel is licensed and safe. No pirated content, no illegal streaming. It's just like Netflix or Amazon Prime, but with a free ad-supported option. And the next one is going to be Plex started as a media server app that lets you organize and stream your own movies and videos. But now it also offers Plex Live TV, a completely free and legal service with over 250 live TV channels from around the world. It's ad-supported, meaning you watch for free, and Plex earns through ads. Open your browser and go to plex.tv/live-tv. Click on Watch Free or create a free Plex account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Live TV guide, which looks like a regular cable TV schedule. You can start watching any channel instantly, no payment required. Plex also has apps on Google Play, App Store, Fire TV, Roku, and smart TVs. When you open Plex Live TV, you'll see Live TV Guide, a list of all channels playing in real time, categories, news, movies, sports, comedy, music, kids, and more. On demand, free movies and series you can watch anytime. The design is modern and switching between channels is super easy. Plex offers a wide selection of legal content. News, Reuters, USA Today, Euronews, movies and series, popcorn flicks, Crackle, FilmRise, sports and action, World Poker Tour, Adventure Sports TV, music, loop music, live concerts, kids and family, Toon Goggles, Kids Flicks. Everything is officially licensed and safe to watch. Step 5. Watching on mobile or smart TV, 4 to 4:30. To watch on your phone or TV, download the Plex app, sign in with your free account, tap Live TV, and browse your favorite channels. You can even cast it to your TV using Chromecast or watch directly on smart TVs. Plex partners with official media networks and licensed distributors. It doesn't host pirated or illegal streams. Every channel and movie is fully authorized, so you can enjoy your entertainment without worrying about copyright issues. So friends, these were the top 5 legal websites to watch free TV channels in 2025. You'll find all the links in the description below. Don't forget, your likes and subscriptions help me keep creating more legal, useful tech content. I'm Top Tutorials. See you in the next video, where we'll explore the best legal apps to watch TV channels on your phone.